print on demand and how does it work? Hello everyone, welcome back to the course. Well, print on demand, or POD, is a super easy and simple business model that involves designing products and selling them worldwide. What's great is that you handle the design and selling while the printing companies take care of the rest. Everything from printing, packing, and shipping to even customer service if you're with the right partner. Here's how it works. Step by step. Step 1. You design. Start by customizing blank products online. T-shirts, mugs, tote bags, pet bowls, home decor, you name it. And guess what? It's totally free to add your designs. Step 2. You list and sell them. Upload your products to your GearLaunch powered store. Set your prices and go live. Just make sure your price covers the production, shipping, taxes, and marketing costs. And of course, leave some profit for you. Step 3. Customer buys. When someone places an order on your store, you get paid up front. Step 4. GearLaunch takes over. We automatically send the order to our fulfillment team. They print it, pack it, and ship it straight to your customer. You don't lift a finger. Step 5. You keep the profit. You use the customer's payment to cover the fulfillment costs, and the rest is yours. That's real profit. No upfront inventory, no warehouse, no hassle. Print on demand is a simple, low-risk business model. You don't have to buy products in advance or store inventory. You don't need a big budget to get started, just a small fee to register your domain. We'll talk more about that in the next episode. And the best part? You don't have to deal with packing, shipping, or talking to suppliers. Once someone places an order and pays you, that's when the product gets printed, shipped, and fulfilled. You only pay for it after you've made a sale. So there's no upfront investment, no inventory, and no stress. You focus on what matters, designing, promoting, and building your brand, while your print-on-demand partner handles the rest. And if that's not convincing enough, here's what makes POD even better. You don't need to be a business expert or a professional designer to succeed. Anyone from anywhere in the world can build a profitable store with a little creativity and consistency. Thanks to global fulfillment, your designs can reach customers worldwide. You could be in Nigeria and still sell to buyers in the US, Europe, or anywhere else. POD breaks down borders. And because products are only made when someone places an order, there's no overproduction, making this a smarter, more sustainable way to do business and build a brand you're proud of. But here's something super important you should know. Most print-on-demand companies only help you until the product is shipped. Once the package leaves the warehouse, their job is done. So if your customer has a problem, like the wrong size, a damaged item, or they want a refund, you have to handle it yourself. And if you're not comfortable speaking English or dealing with complaints, that can be a big problem. That's why GearLaunch is different. We have a 24/7 customer support team who takes care of all those issues for you. Your customer sends us a message and we handle the rest, answering questions, solving problems, even processing refunds if needed. You can just focus on what you're good at, designing, promoting, selling. And because your customers are happy with the support they get, they'll trust your store and keep coming back to buy more.